on there, sweetie.
Hey, kid.
The sunblock. Then we go outside.
Oh, okay. Not recording anything but that.
Caillou knew that you had to put sunblock on when you went
Hey.
outside on a sunny day.
Nicholas.
Some of this too.
I can do it.
He's like, this is the TV, and this is how close he thinks he needs to get to see it.
Oh, this is a good sunblock pink shirt.
Nicholas.
Come on, Caillou. Let's get your painting gear.
Hey.
There you go. You're all set.
Caillou couldn't wait to get started on his painting. He wanted to make something extra special for Grandma.
Come show Grandpa how you play basketball. Come show Grandpa that you're a little cheater.
How about a nice rose?